Hey guys, this is the all-in-one 10-gallon fish tank that I bought from PetSmart. It was on sale for $59.99. It has almost everything in it. That lid, the light inside. What can you see? All right, the aquarium. All right, these are the things came with that aquarium kit. So we got a heater, thermometer, net, and a water test vial, and filter. So this all came with that, and it was a 10-gallon aquarium, and that was like it's on sale for $59.99 on PetSmart. So these are the rest of the stuff I got. So these I got from Walmart. The gravels, 5 pounds or like 2.3 kg. So I got 2 of them. So for 10 gallons, I gotta use 2 of these. This, you don't really need it, but like, you know, I would like to see some, you know, bigger gravels inside. So that's what I got there. That's like 99 cents. Then I got some the plastic plants. So I got the baby plant. Yeah, some other ones. So this one, these two I think like glue under the blue lights. I don't have the blue lights yet, but yeah, this is the one do that. The regular plants, the little bit medium sized plant right here. Yeah, there's a medium size and some of the cool looking color ones. And these I got, I mean, this is actually $8. I mean, almost $9. Too small though, but this is like, I mean, I got a 10-gallon aquarium, so I don't need a big one. So I think this is for easy for that small fish to hide. So I'm getting really small fish, so I think this is gonna be easy for them. And another one from Jungle Start Right aloe vera. I was looking for the regular one, but this is all that they have. So use monthly maintenance. So this is like conditioned tap water, remove chlorines. So this is you need like take care of the chlorine. And another one from Jungle Clear Water. So that's all I got from Walmart. An aquarium from PetSmart. I mean, yeah, PetSmart, Petco, one of those stuff. All right, so these right here is almost like $50, $55, whatever. That aquarium is like another 55, so that's like $100 right there. So guys, I'm going to clean these gravels. So guys, I filled all the gravels inside. So first of all, I cleaned it, rinsed it, and put it like spread it like evenly, so you can see it's pretty much even. Now I got this a little bit more bigger gravel, so I'm just gonna put it like try to be evenly. You don't really need this. You only need that small gravels, but I like this, so that's what I put this in there. So that's pretty much it. And next thing, I'm gonna put the plants, the plastic plants inside. So I'm gonna just pretty much like arrange it, like maybe put some in the corner or some in the middle. So once I've done that, I will share the rest of them. Okay, rest of the video. So guys, I'm gonna fill out some water. So you don't want to spray like that. So Alright guys, so we're gonna put that what is this, the heater, water heater. So I'm gonna put this in a corner. So I'm gonna put the cords back there, and the water goes here, it goes there, and it's actually say the water level that is should stay. So I'm hoping that it should be it. Maybe a little more to the side. Yeah, I think that's close to the water heater. So let me see. See here at the bottom. Alright, so now I got my thermometer. So I got the numbers here. So I'm gonna stick that up on this side. Yeah, right there. Alright, so you can see my thermometer. Alright. The next thing is the filter. Alright, so I got my filters ready. Alright, so I'm gonna put the filter on this corner. Alright, so filter goes that corner. So same thing, wire goes back behind. Filters goes here. So that's how we can just put that the lid. So you can see right here. Oh, sorry. So I may have to adjust a little bit. Let's see. Alright, here it is. Alright. Yeah, that's right there. See, that's where it's supposed to stay, right there. So filter goes there, water heater on this side, thermometer on this side, and the plugs for the, what do you call, our LED lights. So I'm just gonna plug that into so you can see how I'm gonna lit it up. Alright, where is it? That's that. And I'm gonna plug that in. Alright, so that's LED lights on top of that. So you can see if you come behind. So you can see the water heater. Let me take this out. That's how you can see. Alright, so that's a water heater line. That's for the LED, and that's our filter. Alright, so I had to plug this in. So all I had to do is I had to put some water here first. Open up like that, put some water through here, fill it out. Take this lid off, you're gonna see the filter. So I put the water here. So first time I put the water through this and it wasn't working. Second time we'll put the water through here, fill it up, and plug the motor, because otherwise it's not gonna, you're not gonna get the water flow, because you need to have a little bit of water inside to get the water flow. So I done that, put the lid back where it's supposed to belong. Now you can see the water coming out really good. If you look underneath there, right there, that's water filtering through. So I'm gonna leave it for like 2 weeks maybe, or probably a week and a half to let it settle. Then other thing I forgot to tell you guys, I had to add the chlorine, remove chlorine, so the water conditioner in there to remove the chlorines. So for 10 gallons, I think use 1 tablespoon or 1 capful 5 ml to 10 gallons. So I'm gonna add 1 capful to here and let it sit for like a week. So I'm using that Jungle Start Right conditioning tap water, remove chlorines. So like I said earlier, 1 capful, so that's gonna be 5 ml, that's what it say. So you can see the direction right here. Yeah, so they say use 1 teaspoon or 1 capful 5 ml to 10 gallons. So I'm gonna do that I don't have a teaspoon right now for this. So I'm just gonna fill it up all the way down to the cap, and just gonna remove the top for a second and just let it drop it nice all the way, maybe a week and a half. So after a week and a half, I will get the fish and I put the fish in. So that's my setup, guys, and thank you for watching, and I will come back with the next video with when I'm adding the fish. So that's the setup video. This is a setup video like for the how to set up a aquarium, 10-gallon aquarium. So hopefully you guys understand, and hopefully I done my job right. So so after next week you're gonna see a new video with the adding all the fish. So I'm not gonna add too many fish. I'm gonna add like small, probably like 3 or 4 fishes. That's pretty much it, and I will see what next. And this is it. Thank you for watching. Check me out, kolamassvlogs.